Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are ready to change your wall. Let's paint with the easy dye techniques and the painting without mess. Yes, with the paint shields. Dreaming of a geometric patterns or a 3D designs. It's easier than you think. Welcome back again your video and the cut to colors and the graphic colors of the years of 2024. This color is everywhere, from a fashion to your favorite wall. Let's start this videos. Are you looking to update your home with the latest colors trends for 2024? Look no further. We have rounded up the top 30 plus lights colors trends that will elevate your the living space from the soft pastels like blush pink and the white greens to the timeless classics such as the light beings and off-white. There are endless options to the choose from. If you are feeling bold, why not try a pop of colors like a light coral or a sky blue? These hues will add a fresh and the modern touch to any room in your houses. For a more and the serious vibes, consider using the light lavenders and the baby blue to create a calming atmosphere in your bedroom or bathroom also. These colors are perfect for promoting relaxations and the tranquility. No matters your styles or a preference, there is a light color trends for everyone in 2024. So go ahead and experiment with the different shades to find the perfect one for your home. You can see that different trending colors that are used in your home and the color selections for a wall shelves and how to paint wall in a very amazing way, but you can see that different blue colors everywhere and how to decor the different rooms and you can designs of your bedrooms, living rooms and the wall painting designs also. The different techniques you can apply and the create a stunning wall paints and the materials in the 3ds max with these simple steps. Yeah, exterior and interior inspiration is very amazing of these colors. Let's talk about the exteriors colors combos. Transactions to cozy interiors create a vibes with the right room, color and designs. Role play or a 3D patterns, your walls can be masterpieces. Host in the front of a creativity designs wall. Yeah, you can see that difference being